The 70mm Omni 4K dash cam is a significant upgrade from its predecessor. This dash cam offers an impressive suite of features for drivers seeking comprehensive vehicle protection and high-quality recordings. This essay will delve into the 70mm Omni 4K's key features, exploring its advanced capabilities and notable improvements. The 70mm Omni 4K stands out with its signature 360-degree rotating camera. This innovative feature allows drivers to capture footage of the road ahead or seamlessly switch to the car's interior. This versatility ensures complete coverage, recording crucial events inside and outside the vehicle. Whether it's capturing scenic road trip moments or monitoring driver behavior, the 70mm Omni 4K has it covered. The 70mm Omni 4K doesn't compromise on video quality. It boasts an impressive 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, ensuring crystal clear footage with exceptional detail. This level of clarity is crucial for capturing license plates, road signs, and other vital information that might be needed for insurance claims or legal purposes. Section 2. Enhanced features and capabilities. One of the standout upgrades of the 70mm Omni 4K is the addition of dual-channel recording. Drivers can now opt for a bundle that includes a 1080p rear camera, providing comprehensive coverage of the vehicle's surroundings. This dual-channel recording capability ensures that no incident goes unnoticed, whether it's a rear-end collision or an attempted break-in. The 70mm Omni 4K takes parking mode to the next level with its AI Motion Detection 2.0 technology. When the vehicle is parked, this intelligent feature actively monitors the surroundings for any movement. If suspicious activity is detected, the dash cam automatically starts recording, capturing crucial evidence that can be invaluable in hit-and-run incidents or vandalism cases. Furthermore, the 70mm Omni 4K excels in low-light conditions thanks to its night owl vision and Lumi Vision technologies. These features work in tandem to enhance image clarity and reduce noise in dimly lit environments, ensuring that crucial details are captured even at night. Drivers can have peace of mind knowing that the 70mm Omni 4K provides reliable recording capabilities around the clock. Section 3. Technical prowess. At the heart of the 70mm Omni 4K lies the advanced Sony Starvis 2 sensor. This sensor is renowned for its exceptional low-light sensitivity and wide dynamic range. This translates to clearer footage with enhanced detail in challenging lighting conditions such as bright sunlight or dark tunnels. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor ensures that the 70mm Omni 4K captures high-quality video regardless of the environment. Another significant technical improvement is the inclusion of a supercapacitor instead of a traditional battery. Supercapacitors are known for their durability and ability to withstand extreme temperatures. This ensures that the 70mm Omni 4K can operate reliably in hot or cold climates, providing consistent performance and longevity. The supercapacitor also eliminates concerns about battery degradation over time, ensuring the dash cam's long-term reliability. The 70mm Omni 4K comes equipped with a range of connectivity features, including Wi-Fi 6.5 GHz and 4G support. These features enable seamless smartphone connectivity, allowing users to easily access and manage recordings, adjust settings, and even live stream footage directly from the dash cam. The 70mm app provides a user-friendly interface for controlling the dash cam and accessing its features remotely. Section 4. Pricing and final thoughts. The 70mm Omni 4K dash cam is competitively priced, starting at $279.99 for the front camera only. For those seeking comprehensive coverage, a bundle including the rear camera, hardwiring kit, and a 256GB microSD card is available for $406. This pricing strategy makes the 70mm Omni 4K an attractive option for budget-conscious drivers who don't want to compromise on features or performance. In conclusion, the 70mm Omni 4K dash cam is a compelling choice for drivers seeking a feature-rich and reliable device to enhance their safety and security on the road. With its 360-degree rotating camera, dual-channel recording, AI motion detection, and impressive technical specifications, the 70mm Omni 4K offers a comprehensive package. Its competitive pricing further solidifies its position as a top contender in the dashcam market, making it an excellent investment for any vehicle owner.